In this video, we'll show you how to replace a faulted hard drive in a PowerScale F600 system. Before you begin, make sure that you have read and follow all safety precautions on handling replaceable units, such as using electrostatic discharge wristbands or gloves. For more information, refer to the PowerScale F200 F600 hard disk drive replacement guide. First, you need to identify the faulted hard drive. At the front of the system, look for the left control panel drive indicator. Then check the hard drive status indicator. Each hard drive carrier has an activity LED indicator and a status LED indicator. There are different indicator codes to indicate hard drive conditions. If the light is solid, the hard drive is in a running state. However, if the light is off or blinking, then the hard drive is ready for removal. You can also check the drive status from the CLI by running the command ISI devices list. You can now release a hard drive. Press the release button to remove the hard drive. Next, slide the hard drive out of the slot while holding the handle. If you aren't replacing the hard drive immediately, insert a hard drive blank in the empty slot to maintain proper system temperature. Now, install the replacement hard drive. Press the release button on the front of the hard drive to open the release handle. Then, insert the hard drive into the hard drive slot and slide the hard drive in until it connects with the backplane. Then close the release handle to lock the hard drive in place. You can confirm that the new hard drive is recognized by the system by checking the LEDs. The drive status indicator lights up green to indicate that the new drive is healthy. You can also check the hard drive status from the CLI by running the command ISI devices list. You've just replaced a hard drive. For detailed instructions on replacing this or other components, refer to the PowerScale documentation at dell.com/support.